Hi everyone, this video is on Unit 3 of the 2010 GCSE exam for Buddhism. The idea behind this video is to show you possible exam questions for this year's exam. It is likely that the same questions or similar questions will come up in this year's exam. There are only a set number of topics and there seem to be only a set number of ways of asking questions, so hopefully this will be useful preparation for this year's exam. The first question, which was asked in 2010 in Unit 3, is this: what is a mantra? Now, if you have watched the Unit 3 keyword videos, you should know the answer to that. The correct answer is a phrase chanted in worship or meditation. That's the exam board's definition. All we need to do is write that down and we get 2 marks, 2 out of 2, 100%. And we keep going into the B question. Do you think the home is the best place for meditation? This isn't actually a very difficult question. All it requires is some basic common sense. In meditation, what you're trying to do is still your mind. You're trying to do that so eventually you can see more deeply into the true nature of reality and the true nature of your own mind. Now, is it going to be easier to do that in your own home, where you're surrounded by TVs and Xboxes, maybe friends and family, or in a purpose-built temple where the only other company that you've got are people who are also trying to meditate? It's pretty common sense that it's going to be easier to meditate in the Buddhist temple. So here is a no answer to that question. No, I do not think the home is the best place for meditation, because viharas have been designed and built for meditation, whereas most homes have not. Viharas do not contain the distractions found in the home, such as TVs. They therefore provide a better spiritual atmosphere for meditation. Also, Buddhists can find experienced meditators in viharas to get advice from. Practicing meditation alongside such people in a vihara would be better than trying to meditate by yourself at home. That's 2 developed reasons, 4 out of 4. On to the C question. Explain why Wesak is important for Buddhists. Wesak is the most important day in the Buddhist calendar. This is because it celebrates key events in the Buddha's life: his birth, his enlightenment, and his parinibbana, death. In doing so, it reminds Buddhists that they too can attain enlightenment if they follow the Buddha's teachings. Wesak is also important to Buddhists because it brings their communities together. In doing so, it strengthens the relationship between lay Buddhists and monks and nuns, thereby strengthening the whole Buddhist Sangha. Now, you've got a few good key words in there. There are no grammatical errors. I've used capital letters and full stops, so there are no everything is spelt correctly, and that's all important because you get marked down on C questions if you make grammatical or spelling errors. So we've got a clear understanding of the issue, 2 developed reasons, 8 out of 8 full marks. Final question. Mudras serve no real purpose. If you're not sure what a mudra is, you need to watch the Unit 3 keyword video. I disagree with this statement because mudras can help to focus the mind of the person meditating. Mudras also serve an important symbolic purpose in Vajrayana Buddhism. In addition, the Buddha's hands were in a mudra when he attained enlightenment. That's 3 brief reasons, 3 out of 3. Someone might disagree with me because they might think that mudras are only hand gestures with no real meaning. They might also think that mudras could distract a meditator's attention. In addition, they might believe that as enlightenment is a state of mind, what your body does is unimportant. That's 3 brief reasons, 3 out of 3 there. Those answers which I have put up there are based on the mark scheme for the 2010 exam. So it's not random things that I've decided to choose there, but we've got 6 out of 6 there, which makes altogether 100% A star. You can do it. You can.